Okay, so they do have like a little 5-minute intermission between each show, but it's finally lit up again. Hopefully I can get a whole show on cameras, press a random one and see what happens. There we go. Oh, Billy Bob's going.
Well, howdy, everybody. I'm Billy Bob, and we're back with another big show. But before we get on with it, I wanted to tell y'all something really interesting. It interests me anyway. The other night, I was over at Disney World. I was vacationing, I had a couple days off, and I was at Disney. And I was at the Country Bear Jamboree. And I was up there on stage gigging and jamming and playing with all them other bears. And lo and behold, who was in the audience but Michael Jackson, of all people?
Wait a minute.
Yeah. And we got him up on stage.
You saw Michael Jackson?
And we were dancing and singing to all his songs and have a good old time right there at Disney World. He must have been
You saw Michael Jackson?
Yeah, and we did Billie Jean.
The Michael Jackson?
The Michael Jackson. It was so great. And he did some songs from his album Thriller.
No, you couldn't have done that to me. You mean you saw him and I didn't get to?
Well, Mitzi, we invited you to come with us to Disney.
Well, I had cheerleading practice.
I know. Well, maybe another time. But it was so much fun.
I'll never get to see him again, and y'all got to see him.
Well,
it's not fair.
Well,
Michael Jackson's my favorite thing. I love him.
I'm sorry, Mitzi.
Well, did you get his autograph?
God, we were so excited. I don't know, we forgot.
You didn't get his autograph?
Doesn't like Lop is moving
No,
that much.
I'm sorry.
You're so thoughtless.
Oh, his head just
I'm
turned.
sorry.
Oh,
If
there
I
he
was
goes.
there, I would have gotten 400
Moving it from
autographs.
Ralph.
I was there and y'all weren't there. I would have gotten autographs for y'all too.
Well, gee, that'd be nice, Mitzi.
Hey, autographs. That's all I ever hear. Rolf, would you please give me your autograph? Every time I go out in public, people beg me for my autographs. But you know what? I don't give it to them. I get hounded so much, I'm just sick and tired of it. So, no autographs, and that's all. So the answer is no. No, I will not give you my autograph, Mitzi. I'm sorry, you have to give me...
Rolf! They are not talking about you. They do not want your autograph, and neither does anybody else. Would somebody please close the curtains on this nerd? I can't even stand to look at it.
Wonderful idea there. Mitch,
What?
people like Michael Jackson, they get accosted for autographs all the time. Now, he was out at Disney World trying to have a good time. If you had been there trying to get 400 autographs, you would have ruined his day. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
They're all moving so well now.
Now, what are you going to do if you see Michael Jackson?
I'm gonna rip his shirt off. I'm gonna get club of his hair. I'm gonna tear off his shoes. I'll do anything just to make up for this time when I didn't get his autograph.
All right. I can understand that. But for now, I think we should pay musical tribute to the man by butchering one of his songs. But we really like you, Michael, so we're gonna do it to a whole medley.
She told me her name was Billie Jean, and she caused a scene. Then you never kept her with eyes, her dreams of being the one who'll dance on the floor and around. People always told me to be careful what you do. Don't go around breaking young girls' hearts. Yeah. And my mama always told me to be careful who you love. Be careful what you do, because the lies become the truth. Hey, hey, hey. Billie Jean is not my love. She's just a girl who lives at Iowa. But the Jean is not my son. She says Iowa. But the Jean is not my son.
Hey, has anyone seen Michael's new video?
Are you kidding?
Looks like them all in frame for you guys.
No one's gonna save you from the things about to strike.
Order 1,000, the order is order 1,000.
You know, moved it from Ralph, so I'm not really showing him. He just moved that one little bit.
You guys is nowhere left to run. You ever see the sun? You close your eyes. This is just imagination. But all the while, you hear a creature creep
I think that's sort of an anti-pseudo-expressionist.
Yeah.
What's that mean?
It means it's now. It's wow.
Yeah, with a mark propensity towards obesity and
Trying to
small.
move.
I do believe in sports. I do believe in sports.
Hey, Looney Bird, how about you? What'd you think of it?
I didn't see it.
How come, Looney Bird? Everybody's seen it.
So it's on MTV, right?
Right?
Well, every time I turn on MTV, all I see is John Cougar mountain camp. So I turn it off. There's better stuff on my police scanner.
Hey, does anybody remember any of Michael's old songs?
Beautiful. They have fixed them up a little bit since a few years ago.
Sit down, boy. I think I love you. No, wait a minute, boy. Get up. Show me what you can do.
Okay, lucky day. I've really considered it. I'm going to sign some autographs after all. Hey, but a limited number of them, of course. 10 autographs. The first 10 people to get lined up right here, line form to the right, are gonna get autographs. No, 20 autographs. That's it. Lucky day. I'm in such a good mood.
Hey, Rob, we're trying to do a show here about Michael Jackson. Why would anybody want your autograph?
Hey, I am Michael's inspiration, you know.
No, wait, y'all, chill out. Rolf's right. Here's a song he had to inspire.
Okay. Well, hey, we've had a lot of fun doing Michael's songs today from his brilliant career, and we can't wait to see what he has in store for us next.
Yeah, we could butcher some of that too.
There it was. Rock Fire Explosion.